In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in the online Chrome Acrobat Workspace dashboard. If you need to change the order of pages in a PDF, this is a quick and simple way to do it directly from your browser. Reordering pages can help you clean up a document, fix a misplaced section, or prepare a file so it reads in the exact sequence you want. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your file inside the online Chrome Acrobat Workspace dashboard. Once the file is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're viewing the correct document. It's always a good idea to quickly scan the page thumbnails or visible content so you know exactly what you're working with before making changes. Next, click the Organize Pages menu item. This will switch you into the Page Management view, where you can see the document as a series of thumbnails. This layout makes it much easier to work with the structure of the PDF, especially if you're moving pages around to improve the flow of the document. Now find the specific page thumbnail you want to move. Click and hold down on that page item thumbnail image. As you hold it, be careful not to release too early. You want to keep the page selected while preparing to drag it into its new position. Moving slowly here can help prevent placing it in the wrong spot. With the click still held down, move the thumbnail left or right to its correct layout destination. Watch the placement indicator or spacing between thumbnails as you drag. That visual cue helps you confirm where the page will land once you let go. If your document has many pages, it may help to move steadily and pause briefly when you reach the area where you want the page to go. When the thumbnail is in the right location, release your click to snap the page frame securely into place. Once you do that, the page should settle into its new order automatically. Take a second to review the surrounding pages to make sure the placement looks correct and the document now flows the way you intended. And that's it! You've successfully reorganized a page in your PDF using the online Chrome Acrobat Workspace dashboard. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other pages until the full document is arranged exactly the way you want.